Hi. Welcome to FlexiTrack. This video demonstrates about how to create your employee account in application. Let's see. Here you will receive a registration link through email from the company. Open the mail and place the cursor on Click Here button. Now, Create New Account form generates in new window. To get access into the application, register your details. Fill all the mandatory details to submit the form. Ensure your first and last name are presented correctly. And now enter the contact number. By using Calendar panel, select Employment Start Date. And now select the date of birth from the Calendar panel. Select your gender and upload the profile picture. Click on Select Image to insert the picture. Choose the image file and click on Open. Please remind that your username is your mail ID only. Now, create a password to protect and secure your account. Please ensure that your password must have at least 8 characters. Re-enter the password for confirmation. Enter your current address details, and it's optional to fill address line 2. Select the location like country, state and city by using the drop-downs. Currently, if you're working in any project, then select Yes. Or else click on No button. It is mandatory to upload your digital signature to create an employee account. Click on Choose File option to select and insert the signature. Adjust the image on the white box with the help of mouse drag, and if needed, use zoom options. Now, click on Crop option to upload the signature. After filling all the mandatory fields in the form, click on Create Account option. Once you submit the form, then you will receive an account confirmation mail. Here, select the Click Here option. Start Login to application dashboard with credentials you provided during registration. Enter username and password. And click on Login button. After login to the account, please fill current client and vendor details to get access into timesheet module. Now let's see how to add the client and vendor information after login into your account. At the time of creation of client and vendor, please follow this instruction. In Add Forms, if you select the status as current, then ensure that your vendor job start date should match with your client job start date. If you select the status as previous, then your vendor job start date and job end date should match with your client job start date and job end date. To submit the form, all mandatory fields must be filled. Let's add and submit the client details first. Now, go to Dashboard and select Client Management from the navigation menu. Click on Add Clients option. Create New Client form appears on the screen. Let's fill the data. Set the status as current. Enter the client company name, for example enter RSN Technologies. And let's provide a short name for this client like RSN. Select the job start date if you select the status as current. Else select both job start date and job end date if you set the status as previous. So, let's select the date now. Enter the client company address. It's mandatory to fill one address line in the form. And select the company location like country, state, city from drop-downs. Here you must select the timesheet submission type as per your client requirement. Weekly or 15 days or monthly multiple timesheet mode. It's not mandatory to fill the representative details, contract attachments, insertion of company logo at the time of creation of client account. These details can be configured later by using Update option. Click on Save option to confirm and submit the details. Now, your client details are added successfully. Let's add the vendor details now. Select the Vendor Management module from the navigation menu. Click on Add Vendor option to fill the details. Create New Vendor form opens. Fill all the mandatory fields like set vendor status as current. Enter the company name, for example ITC Technologies. And let's provide a short name like ITC. Select the client company from the drop-down to generate a job start date automatically. Now enter the vendor company address. It's mandatory to fill one address line in the form. And select the company location details like country, state, city from the drop-downs. Click on Save option to confirm and submit the details. Here, your vendor details are also added successfully. Now you can see and manage your client and vendor information. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching this video.